Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to right click on HP Victus 16. In order to right click on the touchpad, you can either tap, not click, but just tap with two fingers. I think you can also click, I guess, so it doesn't really matter actually. But you can also click in the bottom right corner of the touchpad. So if you click anywhere else, it will act as a left click. But if you do it specifically in the bottom right corner, it'll right click. But I personally use the two fingers tap. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.